Hello everybody. Nora, do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day, night, evening, wherever you guys are watching this video from. Nora just left, but that's fine. Today is a very interesting and exciting day for me. Today is gonna be an unboxing video. Something came today and I'm like super excited. So I'm gonna show you what it is and see how it is. Nora.
I got a new bear.
And Nora also got a new bear.
And my bear got a boo-boo.
Uh-oh, the bear got a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Abby, do you want to say something to them as well? What are you doing with the ice pack, girl?
Oh.
Do you want to see them here too? Abby's also excited. So, all right.
We got this from Jackson's house.
All right, Jackson's Nora's best friend. So, all right. So I'll stop here, and then the next video is going to be the unboxing video. See you soon. All right, guys. This is the package, and by the package, you know what it is? Yes, sir. This is my Gibson, and it finally came. And we're gonna do an unboxing video for my guitar. All right, so this is the guitar. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Who's excited?
Amy!
I don't think Abigail's excited. Are you excited, Abigail? Yes. How about Nora?
I am.
Who's gonna make the biggest noise?
I am!
Who's excited?
Me!
All right. The girls are excited, and then I'm excited as well. So let's do this unboxing, guys. All right. So it has a lot of these things. Nora, do you want to help?
Tape.
It has tape, right? All right. Let me cut this tape quickly. All right. Yeah. All right. Pull. Pull, guys. Pull. Pull. Yeah. What is that? Oh my gosh. Abigail, what is that? All right. Ready? What's in here?
The toy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks nice, right, guys?
My cozy.
All right, here. So they packed it really nicely. Let's put all the. Here, Abigail, you want to help Daddy here?
Yeah.
Come on, take this. Good job. Pull. All right. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, yay! Daddy's guitar. All right. That was so much fun, guys. All right. So, Kelsey, you want to come here and show Toby? The bag looks really nice. I don't know whether it's leather or not. Wait, and it has a logo. And yeah. So, all right, Nora's gonna help Daddy. All right, open it, Nora. I think this is the. This is the other side. Hold on, wait. The bottom. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, no, Abigail, ready? Kelsey's taking the video. Ready, guys? All right. Are we ready, Abigail?
Yeah.
Are we ready, Nora?
Yeah.
You ready? All right, here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Wow, look at that guitar, guys.
It's switch.
Yeah, that's a switch there.
What's this?
Do you guys like this?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Abigail? Oh, nice. All right, so guys, this is Gibson Les Paul 60s standard. Actually, this is a limited edition. All right, this is the limited edition, and the color is Honeyburst. So yeah, guys, this has been my dream guitar. I've never owned any guitar in my whole life, the electric guitar. So this is my first electric guitar ever. And yes, it took some time, but I'm really excited.
Daddy, I'm a crab.
What, Nora? Are you a crab? It looks so cute with the crab. Ready? All right, let's see what's in this. Look at the girl. They're having fun too. This unboxing video is fun, huh? All right, I'm gonna take out the guitar now, and look at this baby. Oh, look at that. Look at that color. Be careful, Abby. Look at that color. It's so beautiful, right, guys?
Yeah, it's really nice color.
It's gold. It's like honey, and I wanted to get like a gold top, but this looks really nice. See, look at it, Abigail. All right. And all right, this is gonna be an awesome thing, right? So I really like it.
Mommy, I combed my hair.
And you can see the
You want more hair?
and you can see the whole guitar. I'm gonna.
Here's more hair.
This looks really beautiful. And let's see what's in the guitar. Okay. What else is in the box?
Mommy!
All right. So let's see what comes with the guitar. This is a guitar strap. I don't know. Looks funny. Another guitar strap. And we have a couple of boxes here, and the box. Come here, kids. And the box itself is really smooth, like velvet thing inside. So it's high quality. And let's see what's in here. This is just a thing, and you get Gibson warranty information, and this is the manufacturer, where they manufactured it, I think. And what's inside here is just the keys.
Are you okay?
Yes, Abigail, show them your guitar. And that's Abigail's guitar, right, Abby?
Who's on your guitar?
Who's on your guitar?
Mom.
The mouse.
Mouse and Daisy.
Mouse and Daisy. I like your guitar too. Wow, do you gonna play with Daddy? Yay, good job, Abigail. I like how we played it. Alright. So here on this box we have some keys, some tools, and the cloth, and it gives an owner's manual. So yeah, that's what it is, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put it back for now.
Bye. Okay.
Oh, you like the guitar? Alright, Abigail, let's take a photo with Daddy together. I'm excited about this guitar. Go.
It's not my dad.
Oh, where's Abigail? You're playing with Daddy?
It's not my daddy. I don't like clown. Mommy, daddy.
Abigail, no, this can be your guitar. You like this guitar?
Daddy.
Go. So guys, this is my Gibson Les Paul 60s edition, limited edition, in a honeyburst color. I have never owned a guitar, an electric guitar, in my whole life. This is gonna be my first, and let's see how it goes, guys. Actually, this is gonna be my first guitar I have ever purchased from my own money. Actually, in my whole life, when growing up, my parents bought my guitar, and in my career, when I grew older, I had two guitars. One guitar was my friend, and the guitar that I am using is also a birthday gift from one of my friends. So if I think about it, this is literally actually my first guitar that I have ever bought in my whole life with my own money. So wow, this is crazy. So yeah, that is also one of the reasons I'm really excited that this is gonna be my first ever guitar. Wow. Yeah guys, that was the excitement for me earlier. I was really excited. As I said, this is gonna be my first electric guitar ever. I know it's a little expensive, this guitar, but like this is gonna be my, I don't know, forever guitar. I know most of the them always have a second guitar. I don't know whether I'm gonna buy any other guitars, but my thing is I'm going to use this for a long period of time, and then, you know, when time comes up, if Nora or Abigail wants to get into music as well, maybe they can have this guitar, right? So that is the plan. So guys, yeah, I'll be posting more videos regarding my guitar or like my, you know, music thing. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, I have a second channel. It's called Rock Dads Nepal. Me and my friend, he's from Australia, so we have been collaborating, and we have a band, and it's called Rock Dads, and also the channel name is also Rock Dads. So yeah, this is also because one of the reason I bought this guitar is to, like, you know, put a little bit more time on my music as well. So if you haven't checked out my channel, go check it out. It's called Rock Dads Nepal. So I have four songs so far. Mostly those are Nepali songs, but in the future we'll be adding English song as well. So yeah, there will be a lot of varieties of song. It's going to be folk, it's going to be melody, ballet, maybe rock, all kind of music we are trying to do. So yeah, hopefully you will like that as well. So yeah guys, until then, until the next video, let me show you again. All right guys, until next video, I'll see you in the next video guys. All right, bye. First guitar, my life.